Welcome back to the channel, TDM, the Dystopian Man. Please like and subscribe and get your Ledger link in the description. I do not work for Ledger, but I do have an affiliate link. So if you would like to donate, well, not even donate to the channel, you can help the channel just by buying your Ledger if you need one in the affiliate link. Also, you can donate to the channel using Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano to the wallets down below. So let's get straight into it. So, big XRP news here, right? I think XRP this year, we're going to see a ridiculously good XRP, right? I mean, Bitcoin news as well. We've got some huge predictions with Bitcoin in this video. But first, here is XRP project price 2025. If BTC hits 150k and ETH claims 5,300. So let me know, what do you think? Do you think all of these can do this? So Kevin Cage, a prominent analyst, predicts XRP price for 2025 if Bitcoin hits a 150k mark and Ethereum hits 5,300. In a recent disclosure, Cage presented price predictions for major crypto assets in 2025, noting that the market could experience impressive gains across the board. This comes after a bullish 2024 as the crypto market cap surged 98% to close the year at 33.18 trillion. XRP for 2025. So Cage expects the bullishness to persist in 2025. The analyst predicted XRP price for 2025 to reach $4.30, representing a 76.2% increase from the current price of $2.43. He based his prediction on the monthly R3 Fibonacci pivot levels. He noted that these levels act as major price zones that could either serve a resistance or potential breakout points if trading volume surges. According to Cage, the R3 levels suggest price targets for leading assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, while noting that these cryptocurrencies could exceed the projected level of bullish momentum persists. Besides Cage, other analysts have predicted an XRP rally to the $4 mark. Last month, market watcher Adi Martinez contended that an XRP surge to $4 is programmed. Earlier in November 2024, analyst CoinsKid said it would not be surprising for XRP to reach $4. So, I think $4, yes, is in the cards. Because if you look at where we're sat at the moment, right, at the, like I said, odd $2.55 range, we've still got so much bullish news coming for this coin. I think higher than that, I think maybe 6 to 10 is in, because you have to think what's going to happen to the price. This could all happen this year. This could all happen this year. So what's going to happen to the price when the lawsuit finish? What's going to happen to the price of XRP when Gary Genzer leaves? What's going to happen to the price of XRP if we get regulation? What's going to happen to the price of XRP if Ripple go IPO? What's going to happen to the price of XRP when the ETFs go through? All of these things can happen this year. So when people are saying, oh, we can see a $4 XRP, if we just keep getting this consistent news, we could see, in my opinion, a lot higher than a $4 XRP. Moving on. So yeah, so this is something I saw, and I'm kind of in the same camp. Now, hear me out here. So Bitcoin could reach 1 million, says Arthur Hayes. BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes has suggested that a change in US banking regulation could propel Bitcoin to 1 million valuation. Hayes believes that if the US banks receive an exemption from the supplementary leverage ratio SLR rule, it could lead to increased market liquidity, significantly boosting Bitcoin's value. I've seen so many 1 million predictions that I'm believing it. And for me, I'm just more even believing it on the side of the price crunch, because there's not a lot of Bitcoin left. The other day I was sat there and I was planning a video, and I was sat there and I was adding up all of the Bitcoin that's owned by like Saylor, BlackRock, Mara, Riot, all these other companies and countries. And I was like, wow, there really is hardly any left. And you and me don't even come into these numbers. And I'm sure I was at like 400. So there's 4 million, sorry, there. Then I was like, well, there's up to 6 million gone forever. And then when you just take into account everybody else, like Mr. 100, he's not in that. Buys 100 Bitcoin a day, he's not involved in that. Like there's calculations there. Like I'm a small fish, but I buy Bitcoin pretty much every day. I know there's other people out there that buy Bitcoin pretty much every day. We don't know. What about the companies that are buying Bitcoin that aren't saying anything? What about supposedly we have countries that are front running America when they're going to drop their Bitcoin reserve? And supposedly, I was listening today, Money Rules, Scaramucci, everybody, what's his name, Anthony Scaramucci, or Scaramucci, you know what I mean. If you're into crypto, you know what I mean. He was saying that if America goes forward with a strategic Bitcoin reserve, China will be shortly after. There's going to be no Bitcoin left, and that, in my opinion, is going to shoot the price up to 1 million just because of the crunch. Supply and demand. It's basic supply and demand. There's none left. If you want it, then who sets the price? The people who have it. And from what I've said on this channel, if you've been watching for a while, you know I tend to think what's going to happen is Bitcoin is just going to constantly keep going up and up and up and up in value. The reason why I think Bitcoin is going to keep going up and up and up and up in value is because the debt needs to be partially fixed somehow. So the only way to partially fix the debt somehow, right, is either to print more money, which they're not printing more money. And if they are printing more money, they will print more money. But if they are printing more money, they're not choosing to try and make the economy better or try and pump money back into the dollar. They're choosing to pump it into Bitcoin. So I think it's going to be whoever has the most Bitcoin wins. So that's why I'm just trying to do my own little Michael Saylor thing right now and collect as much Bitcoin as possible and make myself as a Bitcoin stockpile. At any point in history, if you would have done that, it would have been a good idea. So, yeah, sorry, went off on there. So, price is distraction. Binance ex-CEO reacts to Elon Musk's latest revealing. So Elon Musk, the popular entrepreneur and CEO of SpaceX, sent ripples through the tech and space communities today with a recent tweet that has sparked widespread discussion. A specific portion of the post, "We're going straight to Mars. The moon is a distraction," got a lot of replies and even sparked some discussion in crypto space. In the cryptocurrency world, to them, moon is known to mean getting huge returns and making crazy investments. That's why Changpeng Zhao, the former CEO of Binance, responded to Musk with a simple but powerful message: chasing price is a distraction. Zhao has been vocal and the need for a change in priorities among crypto enthusiasts, as he's all about focusing on the big picture and building products that really make a difference, not just chasing short-term gains. He makes sense because the thing is, that's what's going to really propel cryptocurrency to the next level, right? Is the utility side. But it's all fair and well investing in Ski Mask Dog and Fart Coin and Dog with Hat and all these bullshit coins. But at the end of the day, if they don't do anything, then they're just going to fizzle out. Same with all the meme coins. There has to be something tangible there to offer some sort of value so that people want to stay in the space, interact with the space, and actually get something from the space other than a bunch of lottery tickets. Because that's all meme coins really are. So I completely agree with what he's saying. Price is a distraction. Obviously, we all like to make money and we all like the gains. But if something is valuable, the money will come from it anyway. You'll get more money off something if it's valuable anyway. Holding a valuable token because people want to use it for the value, which in turn will move the token up. Yeah, so let's move on. Ripple news here. Now, I'm not too sure about this, but this is just seeing this today. But game changer for XRP, NY Technology, as I don't know, Aslojad So, in exciting development, Ripple has announced a groundbreaking integration of artificial intelligence (AI) within the XRP ledger. Poised to revolutionize how transactions are processed and validated, the innovative approach could signify enhanced transaction speed and security, setting new standards in the blockchain industry. AI empowered ledger. Ripple's strategic move to incorporate AI into its ecosystem aims to optimize transaction workflows, reduce latency, and predict future transaction patterns. This layer of AI analytics integrated into the XRP ledger is designed to anticipate and swiftly counter security threats, ensuring that transactions remain secure and efficient. By enhancing the real-time processing capabilities, XRP could outperform its rivals in scalability and speed, making it a formidable contender in the digital payments area. Okay, so implications for the future. So the implications of integrated AI into XRP's blockchain are profound. This could pave the way for intelligent contracts that autonomously adapt to user needs, reducing the complexity involved in traditional smart contracts. Additionally, this innovation might attract institutional investors looking for a secure and fast transaction processing capabilities. By staying ahead of the curve, Ripple positions itself to redefine the financial technology landscape. That's pretty amazing. I'm shocked with that. Like, I didn't even. I'm not. I haven't seen this anywhere. So the fact that I've seen this here, and I can't see why. I'm going to definitely look into more news about this. But imagine that using AI to up the speed of the transactions. And I think with that, like Ripple are kind of trying to think ahead, because I was looking into quantum computing and blockchain, and obviously having something like AI to maybe combat that kind of makes sense, in my opinion. So, cryptocurrency forecast 2025, Ripple's AI integration sparks new prediction and investor insights. So, I'll leave the link in the description for you to read the rest of this, because it's a really good article, to be fair. But yeah, on to the next one. Reject all. So, XRP news today: appeal drama sparks volatility ahead of key deadline. The reason why I'm bringing all this XRP news is because this year I'm expecting so much news for Ripple, so much to be around this coin. Like, I have still been buying this coin. Still been buying this coin. I'm buying it at 30 cents. I'm buying it at $2, whatever it is now, because it just makes sense. There's so much news all the time. So XRP declines 1.35%. We'll just read the story actually. So XRP is just lower ahead of January 15th deadline. So on Saturday, January 4th, XRP declined by 1.35%, partially reversing a 2.21% gain from Friday, closing at $2.42. Meanwhile, the broader crypto market gained 0.26%, taking the total market cap to 3.42 trillion. The article explores the impact of SEC development, regulatory shifts, and XRP spot ETFs on price trends. So SEC versus Ripple. So I don't think we're going to see anything happen until Trump gets in. So, then he's more than likely, I think, that he's going to bring Paul Atkins into the SEC, who's going to be the new SEC chair. And then once Paul Atkins in, I genuinely think that's when we're going to get squashed. So the SEC versus Ripple case and a looming deadline left XRP trading the broader crypto market. The SEC must file its appeal relating open brief by January 15th. In October, the SEC filed its notice of appeal with the U.S. Courts of Appeals for the Second Circuit. The court docs showed the agency intent to appeal the summary judgment and final judgment. The SEC's plans to challenge the programmatic sales of XRP's ruling were significant. On July 13, 2023, Judge Annalisa Torres deemed the programmatic sales of XRP did not satisfy the third prong of the Howey test. If the SEC overturns the programmatic sales of XRP ruling on appeal, XRP would likely face intense selling pressure, and I would be scooping up them bags. XRP would fall under the SEC's regulatory outview, and US crypto exchanges would delist XRP to avoid SEC oversight. US crypto exchanges relisted XRP after the 2013 court ruling, increasing market access to the token. However, if the Court of Appeals upholds the programmatic sales of XRP ruling, it would be a pivotal precedent for the US digital assets space. Such a scenario would also influence other cases including Coinbase and Binance. Now, there's all this stuff about uncertainty. I think it's pretty much certain. There's been such a shift in the attitude of politics towards crypto, especially in America. What we've been waiting for, right, is America to get itself together when it comes to crypto. And we know that once that happens, it's like I keep saying, I said it on my last video, I'm going to say it on this one. Will crypto be worth more before regulations or after regulations? It's a real simple sort of analogy to make, and this is just why I'm buying every day. Like, will XRP be worth more before the case is over or after the case is over? Before Ripple go public, after Ripple go public? Before we have the ETFs, after the ETFs? I think it's very, I think it's in your face, and you just have to react. But XRP remains above $2 despite uncertainty surrounding the agency's looming appeal-related court filing. Markets expect SEC Chair Gensler and recently promoted senior crypto litigation officers to file a compelling argument challenging rulings from the Ripple case. However, legal experts expect incoming SEC Chair Paul Atkins to reverse course on the SEC's crypto enforcement efforts and withdraw the Ripple appeal. Nevertheless, the former SEC commissioner would need the backing of the agency's commissioners to withdraw. Internal SEC rule mandate that an agency vote, not the chair alone, determines the appeal continuation or withdrawal. The SEC has 5 commissioners appointed by the president, U.S. president. The departure of Chair Gensler and Democrat commissioners Carol Crenshaw and Jamie Lazara could pave the way for pro-crypto appointed commissioners. President-elect Trump will unlikely nominate commissioners supporting the SEC's regulation through enforcement mantra. So I shall leave this for you guys to read the whole thing. But that's what I mean. Once Trump gets in, I think it's pretty much, we're really going to see some fireworks. So ETH, everybody been saying ETH is dead. I've been stacking ETH because I just think people are sleeping on it. If we're not allowed staking in the ETFs yet, right? Imagine what's going to happen to the price of ETH if BlackRock are allowed to stake. They can make their own staking platform and throw millions and millions of ETH into it and create income, passive income. That's all I'm saying. Not financial advice, not saying it's going to happen. But the price of ETH, if that happens, I think we would probably see a 10K ETH. Because it would make sense. Everybody would just be buying it because you're giving it to BlackRock to give you some passive income. Let's get into this. So February, one of Ethereum's most lucrative months in the past, is quickly approaching. Oh, sorry, I hurt my chest. What's going on there? Analyst of historical performance shows that February has occasionally produced each returns like a 173% spike in 2016, while previous performance does not necessarily portend future results. These patterns do provide insight into possible market sentiment. Well, the market sentiment is going to be bullish because we know we're going to get 2 rate cuts this year. But even if we don't get the rate cuts when it comes to crypto, we have a lot of positive news and things around the industry. It's just gonna be positive for the price, in my opinion. Yes, I know there's a cycle, and I'm not letting that get away from me, right? But with that being said, I do think we have to kind of look at, like I say, is crypto going to be worth more before regulation or after regulation? Just really, really, really dumb it down. Okay, so after a steady increase from the 50 EMA support, Ethereum's price is currently hovering around 3,700, indicating strengths. Earlier this month, the asset showed increasing bullish momentum by breaking through the critical resistance of 3,400. Recent trading volumes, however, indicate prudence as some market players wait for more solid confirmations. I was looking at that chart the other day, actually. So Ethereum has historically performed better in February than in many other months, with an average return of 34.3% and a median return of 22%. This consistency shows a rise in investor activity and confidence during this time. Future network improvements, general market dynamics, or macroeconomics factors that favor the cryptocurrency industry could all contribute to this optimism. So let me know what you guys think. What do you think today? What do you think February will be a good month for ETH? I think people are sleeping on ETH. It's still the most used chain on the planet. As much as people want to moan and look at all the chains that are built on top of it. Right. I think it speaks for itself, really. But yeah, Dystopian Mind, bringing you the news today on a Sunday as quick as I could. So please like and subscribe and like. Like I say, get your ledger in the description. You could donate to the channel using crypto. It's linked in the description. And peace.